Alright, so I decided to film a video of what I call doing a central air conditioner walk, which is when I walk around the neighborhood, look at houses, look at air conditioners. There's an American Standard at this house. Not running, but there it is. And so yeah, there's this like pretty nice park around here. So I think I might hear something. Not sure what it is, but yeah. There's people in that house. There was something running at that house over there. Not sure what it was, but I believe this house here has a like a carrier comfort series or something. Yeah. Oh, I can't see it. It was back there. You can hear the birds and stuff. I hear something. Maybe it's the... Oh wait. Oh, there it is. That one there. Carrier Performance Series or something. And then over here, there's a Lennox. And it's currently running. Sounds really nice. The Lennox Elite Series. Just like the one next to my house. And then over here we have a Carrier. Back there behind that red car. Appears to be running. Yeah, the trees are moving. And then behind these trees there's a train, which is one of the quietest units I've ever seen. It has this like so yeah. And then there's this blue house. There's a Goodman at that house over there. I think I can still hear that Lennox back there. Oh yeah, American Standard. Wait, is this Goodman running? I think it's running. Yeah, there's a Goodman. It's like in this weird thing. Wait, no, I don't think it's the Goodman that's running. It's coming from... The sound is coming from that way. It seems like... Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so over here there was a train that was super loud. And like... They have recently replaced it with the Goodman. Much quieter than the train that used to be there. There's Goodman behind there. Sounds pretty nice actually. And there's the condo complex that has many air conditioners, but I haven't been able to get in there because it's like one of those gated places. There's a wall unit back there. Not sure what brand that is. And I do hear something noisy at this condo complex. Sounds like something with the Copeland recip. Let's see what we can see from here. Oh yeah, there's a Goodman and a Guardian back there. And a bunch of trains, more Goodmans, more Guardians. Yeah, there's not really any units on this side, so I'm gonna make a part 2.